Everyone is trying to change the way we browse the internet. Let's see how well Sigma OS does it. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to try this browser, you can do so from the description below. Talking about the browser itself, it's very refreshing. When you switch from your typical browser like Chrome or Safari, they are trying to reimagine the way we browse the internet. Starting off with the UI and how the browser look and feel. To me, it reminds me of Arc browser. It's very similar to that. Tabs are laid out in vertical format. We can group them together and collapse it to make it look more neat. We have all these tabs on the left hand side. Let me show you how it works. Let's pull up a quick search. You can do so by pressing the spacebar or Q. Here we can do a quick Google search. Search for quantum mechanics and hit enter. So now if I open any of these links in a new tab, it will automatically be grouped together. We can also collapse it by clicking here. This way we can keep our tabs organized. That's what I saw in Opera. You could also lock a tab so that it won't be closed accidentally. That's something new. Another thing that helps a lot in managing tabs is workspaces. So we can create multiple workspaces, like one for personal, one for work, and so on. So this way we can keep our tabs life organized. This works a lot like profiles on Chrome. You can log into different accounts in each workspace, though you have to turn on separate cookies for that. You can also turn on incognito and co-browsing as well. That means you can have a workspace where you and your friend can browse the internet together. Isn't it awesome? But there's a catch here. You have to get the paid plan if you want this feature. Yeah, a browser that has subscription service. They have free version that I'm currently using. It has all the features that I need. But if you want more than 3 workspaces and co-browsing experience, then you can check out their paid plans. Great news for students and teachers. They give free access to paid plans, so you can take advantage of that. After setting up workspace, you can browse through the web swiftly. Along with the quick search, you could also use command bar. To access the command bar, you can press command K. Here we can do a lot of things like create a new tweet, Notion document, Google Sheet, create workspace, etc. You could also add reminders right here into the browser. Other than that, the program is also based on single key shortcut. So while browsing your internet, you just have to press the key. Like you can press F for focus mode, that will take the tab full screen. You can also access the full cheat sheet by pressing the C on the keyboard. This does take time to get used to, as sometimes it interferes with websites shortcuts. Like if you are on YouTube, it has its own shortcuts like JKLM, etc. For the extensions, you can be tension free here, as the browser is Chromium based. We get all the extensions that works on Chrome. Also, the browser uses WebKit that makes it perform better on Mac devices. Speaking of that, as of now, the program is only available on Mac, and they are working on Windows and iOS version. So let's see when we get to see that. Last but not least, it works with Apple Keychain, so you can save your passwords without any worries. It also works with 1Password if you are using that. Now there is one thing that I personally felt with this browser. The utility is great, but overall the browser feels incomplete. I mean, it requires some polishing to make it a perfect browser. And second thing was the shortcuts. It can interfere sometime when I'm maybe writing something. The shortcuts might be turned off and create extra steps to access. Other than that, it's a fine browser. I feel like it's more of a mix of Arc and Opera, as they also are featuring their own AI. What do you think? Do let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want me to compare this browser with Arc or Opera, then you can leave that down below in the comments. If you want to boost your productivity, then do check out this video right here, and you can watch my recent video from here. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.